That's why I put this bonnet on, because I want to be the next meme on the internet. And it's not peel and stick. Hey love, in this video, I am going to share this really cool hack that I figured out for wallpaper that is not peel and stick, because I am a little bored with the traditional peel and stick wallpapers that everyone else has, and I'm a little bored with this very dark wall. Plus, it's making my apartment feel very dark and moody, so I want to lighten things up and add some texture to the space. So I'm removing everything and I'm going to show you the cool hack that I figured out. But if you haven't met me, hi, my name is Wayna and I make videos on interior design and mainly rental friendly interior design. So if that's something that you're interested in, then keep watching. So the first thing that you do, of course, is always measure the wall so that you know how much wallpaper you absolutely need, and you can go ahead and just cut it size. Oh, and make sure you subscribe if this is your first time visiting my channel, because we make a lot of cool videos on this channel. So once I got all of my pieces laid out and cut, then I was ready to start, just making sure everything was ready. Now, looking back, I probably should have removed these shelves right away, but I didn't. So don't do this. Remove everything so that you can measure without any interference. I eventually figured this out. Now here's the hack. Are you ready? Ta-da! We're going to use this really cool poly wall. I picked this up from Home Depot. It was around 20 bucks. And all we're going to do is use some finishing nails that are very thin and hammer this into the wall. And so that way we can put this non-peel and stick wallpaper on the actual poly wall instead of the wall. Now, the paper that I'm using, the wallpaper that is actually from the Property Brothers, and I purchased it from Lowe's, and it's not peel and stick. So I'm using this not Gorilla Snot. That's why I put this bonnet on, because I want to be the next meme on the internet. But I'm using the Gorilla Glue adhesive, spray adhesive, and it has worked like a charm. Not only did this stick to the poly wall, but it stuck to it quickly, so I didn't have to worry about it falling down and not adhering. It adhered right away. And so you just repeat the process, making sure that you're lining up the patterns and spraying, one small area at a time, sticking it down, and then moving on to the next area. Another thing I probably would have done is painted where the ceiling and the wall and the side of the wall, like that corner met. I would have painted that white because the black paint kind of peeks through a little bit. But I have another hack for that, so I'll figure that out later. I just gotta purchase everything and get it done. And also, I want to mention that I need you to like this video if you like this video. If you're still watching, come on, let's be honest, you like the video. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up and give me a like. And leave a comment below if you're feeling friendly. So yeah, make sure you cut everything where there's already lines existing and make sure you line it up with the rest of the pattern. Are you ready for the reveal? Because it looked real cute. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. And this is how it looks. It's the texture for me. And that's how you make a nice little wall look custom and add some warmth and texture. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you on my next upload.